Welcome. This is Food for Thought with Felins Foodie. The food industry today requires sustainable packaging, minimal waste, and attractive and innovative labeling that speaks to the customer. Adhesive-free labeling can accommodate just that, as well as provide benefits such as reduced labor costs and an attractive ROI. All of our materials are FDA approved, water resistant, and recyclable. You can pick between widths such as 30, 50, 60, 75, and 100 millimeters, all depending on your branding needs. After determining the appropriate bandwidth, we have various material types to choose from, including white and brown paper in various thicknesses for that paperboard-like feel, silky white plastic for vibrant graphics, and transparent film for optimal food product visibility. Whether you're looking to label a single product or unitize a multi-pack, banding is an innovative and sustainable solution. Club stores require a barcode to reflect the number of products per multi-pack. Whether you're looking for full graphics with a barcode or simple or minimalistic graphics with a barcode, we can help accommodate your needs. Follow me, Felins Foodie, to learn more about ways you can reduce labor and packaging waste and improve your overall bottom line with adhesive-free labeling and unitizing solutions. Subscribe below.